Hey man, it's more Chris Lee, aka CEasy. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the lifestyle. Welcome back to another video. So in today's video, we have a Post Malone merch review. If I know anything, bro, this was low-key one of like an earlier piece I wanted to do, because if you guys did not know, I bought his Hollywood Bleeding merch and I was thinking about doing like an unboxing review, but then I ended up doing like the juice stuff because I felt like it was too late and whatnot. That's what kind of got a lot of this stuff just rolling or whatever. So we're gonna go take a look at his most recent merch. I think it's like the Tommy Boy. Don't quote me on that, but essentially we're just gonna go ahead and take a look at it. Usually, I'm gonna be real, most of Post Malone's like merch actually goes for a good price reselling. You know what I mean? But for this one, I'm not sure. I'm gonna go give you guys my opinion. And if you're new to the channel, man, just make sure that you go down below and subscribe. And if you haven't already, I need you guys to smash up that like button because we need 100 likes on this video. And if you already know, we're on the road to 1,000 subscribers. So let's get it. Alright, so you guys already know how this section goes. Went ahead, I just pulled out the freaking laptop. Let me go ahead and make this a nice full screen. So this is what you're gonna see when you go to the Post Malone merch website, okay? As of right now, you got the Tommy Life. I need you guys to help educate me on this because I haven't been keeping up with Post Malone as much, you know what I'm saying? Since the Hollywood Bleeding merch and whatnot, I kind of just stopped keeping up with it and whatnot. So we have a few pieces over here for this collection. However, I think there are some more pieces. Yeah, like there's still a few Hollywood Bleeding pieces, but the nice exclusive pieces that I'm pretty sure went for a lot for like the resale value are no longer up. So we're just gonna go and primarily just focus on these pieces, okay? You already know I like to start off with the last piece. So right here we got some Tommy cover. It's called cover sweatshorts. I mean, like they look cozy and whatnot. Can't really zoom into it. And you have Tyler, Yahweh, and Post Malone. And I'm thinking that this is just for a song. And you see, this item is expected to ship in sometime in October, which is very, very long ways away. Got the first piece is whatever. And then we have, what is this? We have the Flight Risk cover long sleeve. And we got a whole bunch of different items. So we got over here about $50. Let's see what this says. It says, if you have information concerning these persons, please notify me via the telephone number below. Interstate flight route. So I'm guessing maybe this is like a really, really big song. I haven't kept up with him like I said. Post Malone. I feel like this is a cool little logo. The PM with the circles. And it's just like them in mug shots. It's just like everything is looking pretty similar. And I remember whenever, because this is like my second or third time trying to record this video. I know I tried to do it way back, but like the pieces, they wasn't like grabbing my attention. I was just like, everything was like the same. You know what I'm saying? So we got the Flight Risk tee in white. And it's just their mug shots and whatnot. Nothing too special. I mean, I guess this one is better than these. You know what I mean? It would be cool if they had this piece. Let's go. Well, no. I gotta go back. It would be cool if they had this piece on the back and then just the PM right here in white. Kind of like this one. But minus like the layout of this. I mean, yeah. If they just had the same thing, but this in white, I feel like it would be better. Most definitely. Alright. So we have the Flight Risk front tee. Oh, okay. So everything's in the front and then it just says Tommy Lee in the back. Okay. So we're to the last row. Okay, I think this one might be the one that I was talking about, but it's not in white. So it's a Flight Risk Flight Risk back tee in black. The Post Malone little emblem. And then that. I mean, it's cool. It's chill. I don't really think any of these pieces will go for a lot, in my opinion, bro. So we have the Flight Risk cover tee. I'm pretty sure this one's just the front. Oh no, they got the back too. And I don't know the size of it. I mean, it does look like a cool, nice little collar, but they do look like these shirts fit snug. Yeah, like if it was just like this and they just had the little PM, I feel like that would be cool. Or like the coolest thing that you can possibly do with mug shots, you know what I mean? I would just rather have it on the back, something simple on the front. But that's my personal preference, so. Okay. But this was not bad. So Tommy Lee, Tyler Yahweh, and then Post Malone. Oh no, I wasn't trying to do that. I was trying to press it. Okay, so I mean, this piece is not bad. It's definitely not bad. And then to finish it off, we have the same piece in black, going all the way through. The same piece in black. Okay, so I can give y'all like my top two. It's not a lot of pieces to choose from. I just go with the cover tee in white, and then let's go with the flight risk back tee, which is right over here. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and just break a few things down, okay? So if you guys did not know, I'm gonna just break down like my little history with Post Malone and how I've gotten into it. So essentially, I like Post Malone as an artist, right? And I remember I peeped some of his merch. This was like whenever I was like a freshman or whatnot. So essentially what had happened was he went ahead and dropped merch. There's a lot of buzz around it. And I didn't really get, because if you guys know how I am, I tend to look for like different type of designs, things that are very unique. And it's like, I like graphics and stuff that you just don't see every day. And I didn't really see it. However, something popped up on my IG. And that's when I saw I had like, I forgot what the piece was, but it looked like a sword was shattered, and then in the front it was simple. It said Hollywood bleeding, and I was like, you know what? I gotta go ahead and cop this piece right over here. So I went ahead and I did that. This was before I started thinking about like reselling and doing all this type of stuff and whatnot. And like now, like if you guys go on like Grail or whatnot, and if you type in like Post Malone, Hollywood bleeding, you're gonna still see a few pieces that is up there that are still going for like decent amounts. Like people are easily gaining a 200% return. It's just being able to find people to get the pieces. That is usually what the problem is. Whereas for this piece, this collection, Tommy Life, I don't think it's really going to be going for anything. I could be wrong. You guys might feel differently, and if y'all do, go down in the comment below. But just based off the pure designs and whatnot, nothing about it is like grabbing my attention. You know what I mean? Nothing about it. It's just, it seems like if this is the album cover, they just went and they just slathered it on everything. And it's really just for them to go ahead and like, you know, just make some money off merch sales. I really giving us a good opportunity to go ahead and buy it. So in my opinion, bro, being like someone who rocks with Post Malone and whatnot, I do not like this job right here. I feel like it didn't have a lot of creativity to it. It just went one simple little design and they left it at that. So of course I had to say my little spiel because I low-key am annoyed. I low-key am annoyed because like I was actually looking forward to it a lot whenever I heard about it. And whenever I saw it, I was just like, bro, like I didn't even really want to record the video. That's why it took me like 3-4 tries to actually go ahead and get it. But yeah, this is definitely not going to be a good resale. Nothing good for like the buy and hold tactic, and just none of that. So yeah, I'm disappointed in this one, but I will go ahead and still say for future things, Post Malone is like a good person to be buying his merch because it usually does go like double in value, and they're usually lower, like pretty low prices to where you can easily put it at a double. You can easily increase the price like 2 times what it normally is, and you'll still be able to make a lot of sales. So now that I got all that out the freaking way, I got 2 questions for y'all. 1, did you cop? And then 2, do y'all think it's heat? Do y'all think it's trash? In my opinion, this drop was trash, you know what I'm saying? I gotta just be blunt with it. Nothing special about it. But anyways, guys, it's work with Alia, aka CEasy. Don't forget to like this video. We need 100 likes. If you're new to the channel, make sure you guys go and subscribe, man. Let's go ahead, roll to 10,000 subscribers. But anyways, work with Alia, aka CEasy. And I'm out.
I got a lot on my mind. 16 and O and that 29. 9. I got AK with the scores and 9. 9. Undercover.